What's up, everybody? Hey, coming to you from my house. I got a delivery. I'm expecting another today. There should be another one coming on Monday, but I don't know if you can see it. Can you see the box? That's the box there. I'm gonna be opening that box to see what's inside. It's something for Molly, the Mach 1. It's something I've been wanting to get for a long time for the Mach 1. Say hi, Logan.
No.
How rude. Anyways,
No,
let's see what happens.
Anyway. Did you just... What if I kill myself?
What if you what?
Nothing. I did that with my own hands. Hey! Oh, yeah. Yay, bubble wrap! Thanks for ordering this since it comes with bubble wrap. 7 magazine.
Wait, what? What's that?
7 magazine.
You sure?
Uh-huh. Drop it on the floor.
Oh my gosh. What's that say on the side of the box?
Calvert Racing suspensions. You need the instructions first.
That's a bill.
Well, it says cow tracks traction bars.
What's the rest of it say?
64 to 66 Mustang with 9 housing. 67 to 73 Mustang. You're a 73.
I'll edit that shot out. That wasn't a very becoming shot of Chris's butt.
What was that? That's not a pleasing shot of what?
Your butt? You just kind of stink bugging it in the air?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there is no such thing possible as a good shot of that.
I don't know. We can ask Tish. Okay.
What's up, 12 work freaks?